Hello, people. Welcome to my screen and thank you for joining me. Now, the first pair on my list right here will be AUDCHF. So, let's see how AUDCHF has played out. Now, in my previous video, I called AUDCHF to the upside and I also give a deciding factor that once that deciding factor is cleared, we should see AUDCHF price elevating to the next level target. But right here, but on AUDCHF is unable to what to is unable to take out the decision factor and AUD share bounce back down. So let's see how AUD share price has played out for the following market week. I mean for the past market week, and let's see how we expect AUD share price should play out for the coming market week. Right here on AUD share price, when we have this massive sell off right here, we have price run into a strong level of support, and this level of support has been bouncing that price back up. We have the first rejection, we have second rejection, we have the third rejection right here. Price created this new low right here. Price created this new low because this was a and this was a rejection in the past. This when price gets in the past, it was rejected, it bounced off, it missed all this move, come back again to test this support level again. We have multiple rejection on this support level because this support level it is strong and price is unable to get to break through that level. Whenever the sellers push price to this support level, the buyer step in and push the price back up. So now, hopefully this level should hold. If this level do not hold, it's coming down because this is a last low, and hopefully this level should hold to push the price back up. So right here now on the daily time frame, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low right here. And I say that in my last video on AUDCHF that we have an intermediate minor level of resistance right here that we should see AUDCHF price break and close above it to elevate the price to the next level target right here. So but price is unable to clear that resistance level. The sellers were there, they took the momentum from the buyers and they pushed the price back down, and price is coming, and price is pointing, is heading to this support level again, to attempt this support level again. And hopefully when price gets here, the buyer should be able to step in to what to take the momentum from the buyer and push the price back up. So now let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's see how the weekly candles close. Right here on the weekly time frame, first of all, we have seen that AUDCHF, the overall flow of the trend is downtrend. So price has even come, and price has even formed a trend reversal. This okay, coming. As you can see, on the overall flow on AUDCHF is pointing to the downside, creating consecutive series of lower lows and lower highs, It has been crashing for many years back. So it has been crashing for many years back. This is a downtrend. AUDCHF price has is on a downtrend, and also it has hit a strong significant level of support, a strong key level of support, and the level of support has been bouncing the price back up. Right here, we have a lower low, a lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. At a point in time, AUD share price was moving in a sideways movement before pushing back up for a new lower high. It gets here, it formed a trend reversal. This level of resistance right here rejected the price back down. The price attempted this resistance twice but could not break through that level to push the price back up. So the price closed with a trend reversal and pushed the price down for a new lower low. This was a low, this was a high, this was a low, and this is another high, and push the price back down again for what, for a new lower low. This is giving us an equal low right here. This is a low, this is a high, and this is an equal low right here. So what we are expecting on AUD share price is to what? Is AUD share price to give us, I mean AUD share price should push to the upside, but whenever AUD share price try pushing to the upside, the market always come to a level, to a minor level that reject the price down. Not that it's not going to flow, but it's not going to push to the upside, but it's still not ready to push to the upside. But with time, best believe AUD share price will elevate to the next level conveniently. So right here now, just to look how the weekly candle close, we can see the and the last market week candle close with an inverted hammer right here on a support level right here. It closed with an inverted hammer right here. We have this massive healthy red candles push back up. It was pulled back. It pushed back down. We have this massive healthy red candle that was pushed back down. It attempted the support level. It bounced up. It came again to attempt it for the second time, and price is currently on this support level right here. Hopefully, when the new market week open, we should see the new market week on the daily and the weekly candle should close with a bullish engulfing candle, engulfing the previous inverted hammer. The so once that should happen, we should see AUD share price pushing back up. So now let's go back. So right here now we have a push to downside. Price is still unable to clear this support, to clear this resistance level right here. Once that If that should have happened, you should have seen AUD share price pointing to come right here. But because price was unable to break and close above this resistance level right here, this minor level of resistance, that level of resistance pushed the price down. And as you can see on the daily time frame, we have a bearish engulfing candle right here on the daily time frame. So when the new market will open, we should see another new day candle come right here to sell right here to this support level. If this support level should hold, because right here in the past we have a weak rejection. When the sellers push the price down, the buyers step in and push the price back up. It came again, push the price down, the buyer step in and push the price back up, telling us that this is a strong level. We have a strong buying pressure right here, because look at the weak rejection. We have weak rejection right here. So definitely, hopefully, when AUD share price comes right here, when the new market open, because just like I've said right now, the last 2 day candle closed with a bearish engulfing candle. So when the new market open, we should see the new market week candle to sell again to this support level. If the buyer step in to push the price back up with a weak rejection. So now we have the first touch of the trend line, we have the second touch of the trend line. Upon the third touch, that we are expecting price to break and close above the trend, out of the trend line, it was still rejected. So hopefully the fourth attempt should break this trend line to elevate the price to this resistance level right here. So let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Now we are on the 4 hour time frame. We have the first touch right here. We have the second touch right here, the third touch right here, that we expect price to break and close above it. That price was unable to fulfill that and push price down. Because of this minor level of resistance right here, it was because of this minor level of resistance that this price was unable to break higher. Because right here, price was rejected here in the past. Whenever price created this level, it was rejected. It came again, it was rejected. It came again, it was also rejected. And upon, like, we have multiple touches on the multiple attempts on this minor level of resistance for multiple times, and price was still not able to break out of it, and it pushed back down. And also on my last video on AUDCHF, I said we might still have one leg push right here. Please, if you doubt me, please watch my previous video on AUDCHF. You see it there. I said that we might still have one leg push again, provided that this minor level of support, of resistance, did not clear, and trend line did not clear. We need to see price break and close outside this support, outside this level conveniently, to push the price back up. But price did not did that, and price pushed back down. I said in my previous video that we might see one leg push again to this support level. And just like I've said it, is happening right there. So price is coming right here. AUD share price on the 4-hour time frame. When the new market open, we should see more of sell candles right here to attempt to play around the support level right here. So so all we just have to see is that we need to see price break and close outside this trend line right here. We have the first touch of the trend line. We have the first touch right here. We have the second touch right here. The third touch was rejected, forming a trend reversal double bottom. It was also rejected. Upon the fourth touch, we expect price to hold right here. We expect price to hold right here, break out of this trend line right here, and push price back to elevate price back up. And the next level target, right, when price will clear this trend line right here, the next level target will be this previous level of support. Once the previous level of support is cleared, the next level target, the next level right here, the next level will be this level right here. And when price gets here, if this level is cleared, we should see AUD share price coming right here. But for now, before price we get to this level, it has to clear it has to clear out of this mess right here, because I can see that AUD share price is choked whenever AUD share price is try to find its way to the upside. It will always have it will always have a level that will still reject again. So AUD share price is choked right here. We just expect AUD share to break out of this resistance level. Once this level is cleared, once price is able to come right here, break and close above it, AUD share price will elevate, will rally to this level right here. From this level, it will get here. So now what we shall be expecting when the new market opens is that we want to see price. We expect price to still come right here, because on the daily time frame we have seen a bearish engulfing candle, and we expect the following day should be sell also. So now we expect to see more candles right here, to come right here to fill this place properly, then attempt this trend line for the fourth attempt. Hopefully the fourth attempt break this trend line and is coming right here. From this level, it will rally to this level. From this level, it will come right here. So that is that on AUDCHF. So now let's go next to the next pair on my list right here, which is the USDCHF. So USDCHF has not been trending for quite some days now. Reason because it has been moving in a sideways movement right here. Just like as you can see, USD share price has stuck in a range. It is caged in a range because AUD share price is both the buyers and the sellers are battling. They don't know who should take control of the price right here, because just like as you can see, AUD share is going up, is going down, is going up, is going down. So both the buyers and the sellers are both struggling, are both fighting to have a freedom right here. So right here now on okay, let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's see how the weekly candle close, because I like to come to the weekly time frame to see how the weekly candle close, just to prepare what we should see when the new market opens right here. So right here now on the weekly time frame, in the past, just a quick recap on USD share. USD share has been on a massive downtrend in the past. Just like as you can see, we have AUD share price. AUD share price is on a downtrend. Is on a downtrend. Just as you can see, this is a downtrend. This is a clear downtrend. So right now, looking at the immediate trend right here. This was a low, this was a high, this was a low, this was a high. Price has been trading in between this support, in between this resistance level and the support level in the past. It gets up, it comes down, it gets up, goes up, come down, and we have this strong minor level of support. I mean of resistance, that price has attempted this resistance level for like multiple times. We have the first rejection right here. We have the second attempt. We have the third attempt. It was rejected. We have the fourth attempt, and it was also rejected. And presently, price is currently on a support level, and we don't know if price wants to push back up or if it still want to come down right here to continue the sideways movement. So right here now, since we have seen it, so right here now on the weekly time frame, on the weekly time frame, we can see an indecision candle, just like we see on the 4 hour time frame that the price is currently ranging, and just here on the weekly time frame, this is an indecision candle. We don't know who is in control, whether the buyers or the sellers. Look at it, look at the candlestick. So now let's go back to the daily time frame. So so right here on the daily time frame, right here in the past, when price was acting at a very strong level of resistance that price has been reacting off. We have multiple rejection on this resistance in the past. As you can see, we have multiple rejection. This level of resistance has been holding significantly, that price is unable to break through that level. But with time, it cannot remain like this forever. With time, price will come right here, will attempt this resistance again, and it will break through, so right here now, when price was here in the past, I said that if this level should hold, I called it, if this level should hold, USD share price is coming right here. And just like I've said it, USD share price have crashed, have sold right here to this strong level of support. And this level of support is holding the price from either going up or coming down. So whatever you for but whatever USD whatever USD share wants to do, let it do. If it wants to come up, we shall know. And if it wants to come down, we shall see no. So right here now on the daily time frame, right here, price is currently in a range. Yeah, there's nothing much to see right here. Price is currently in the range until when price break out of this range to start pushing back up. But I am favoring the upside. So now let's go back to the 4 hour time frame. So I'm favoring the upside. Now on the 4 hour time frame, we have this trend line coming. Let me draw how the trend line out. If I should bring out the trend line right here, like so. Good. Now we have a trend line that is telling us that this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend. Now we have the first touch of the trend line. We have the second touch right here, and upon the third touch, price is currently on this level. Price is currently right, is kind of reacting on this trend line right here. We have the outer trend line, and we also have the inner trend line. So right now, this is the inner trend line. We have the first touch of the inner trend line. We have the second touch of the inner trend line, and upon the third touch of the inner trend line, price will break out of it. Price is expected to break out of this level. Price is expected to break out of this level when we have a trend reversal right here, a double bottom. Price is expected to break out of this level to attempt this resistance level again and push back up. But what the market did, the market decided to move sideways. Both the buyers and the sellers are both struggling to win the battle. So right now they are still battling. They don't know who is in control already. So now we don't know how long this range will last. Until when it break out, then we can decide on what to do. Supposing that the buyers were able to take out this range and start pushing back up, it's definitely coming to attempt this outer trend line for the third for this trend attempt for the third attempt. As you can see, we have the first attempt, we have the second attempt right here. Price is currently coming for the third attempt right here. If this third attempt is cleared, if price is able to break and close above this resistance level right here, USD share price will elevate right here to this level right here, because this level too is also a high right here. Price traded it and it cannot be overlooked. When price gets here, if price should clear this level, it's coming right here. But for now, But for now, there's nothing much to say right here until we have a breakout of this range. USDCHF is currently in a range. I repeat, USDCHF is currently in a range. There's nothing we can do right now. There's nothing we can do right now until we have a clear breakout, until we have a clear range breakout right here. If this range is cleared, breakout of this place, it gets here, it's coming right here. But for now, that is out on AUD, that is out on USDCHF. So thank you for watching the video to this very end. See you in the next video. Bye for now.